I decided a bit last minute to come here to Kitzbühel, Austria. I hope I'm pronouncing well. So I thought, why not? I haven't been to ski for 3 years, so I really wanted to do a bit of skiing to get back on track. I'm still a beginner because I didn't do ski every year when I was young. I went 2-3 times when I was young, and then before lockdown I went 3 or 4 times, and then during lockdown I didn't go at all. So for the last 3 years I haven't been to ski. I thought it was a great opportunity to do a bit of ski. So basically I landed in Munich, and then I took some trains and arrived at Kitzbühel, Austria. It's very cute. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. I've been so lucky with this flat. This flat was the cheapest option on Airbnb, and it's amazing. It's brand new. I'm the second person who rents it. It was all refurbished this summer. I don't know how I got so lucky. It was even cheaper than the hotels. There was nothing cheaper. This was the cheapest option on Airbnb. I think I'm paying 155 per night, euros. And this was just the cheaper option of everything I've seen, Airbnb, booking. Yeah, it's just such a beautiful flat. My plan for this trip is to do some skiing in the morning and then do some work, afternoon, evening, do a lot of work, because for the last few weeks I've been moving around a lot. I was in Greece and then Paris, and it's hard to find time to just sit down and focus on a task. So now that I'm here, I really want to focus and do some work for my coaching business. Now I'm gonna go walk around in the city center. It's a very small town. I'm gonna go have a walk around and see where I can find some ski equipment and see where are the ski lifts to be ready for tomorrow, my first day at ski. Can I show you this? Because I've never seen this type of stove cooking panel. Nice, huh? I like it. What a beautiful day to do some ski. I haven't done ski for 3 years, so I'm a bit scared right now. I'm surprised that there is no one at the bus station. It's actually very quiet. The girl who rented me the flat, she said that the whole resort was closed for 2 years during lockdown. So now it's slowly going back to normal. But it's actually very good, because if there's not many people, that means I won't queue too long for the ski lift. So I think that's great. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm going to ski. It's gonna be awesome. So happy I'm gonna ski. And also it's not very cold. I mean, it is a bit cold, but not that much. There's no wind, so it's good. It's only 15-minute walk to the city center, so I decided to walk there because it's a beautiful day, it's not very cold, and like that I'm seeing a bit of the city. So yeah, just gonna walk there. guys, this ski station is amazing because there's not many people, there's no one, so there's no queue, it's not crowded when you ski, not many people around you, so it's amazing, it's perfect. And actually I'm going on this hill now, and I've seen that there are two slopes, one black and one blue, and I'm really worried that I choose the wrong one. I better stay with the blue one and not the black one because otherwise I don't know how I'm gonna take it down. So yeah, hopefully I find the blue one when I get up there. That's so cool, there is a lock and I left my skis here. So my first day skiing was a success. I think I'm almost back to my previous level. The more you practice, the better you get. This is the second day and it is snowing today. So I don't know, there's not going to be good visibility, but it's okay. I'm just going to do a little bit and then go home.